Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is glacial erosion and landforms. So, as we know that glaciers are the huge masses of ice which keep on moving. So, if this type of huge masses move, definitely they will cause some erosion and they will create new landforms. So, as the topic is same, that glacial erosion and landforms. When a glacier moves, it erodes the surface into two ways. One is called plugging and another is called abrasion. So, during this erosion, two types of scratches are made. The narrow scratches are called striations and the broad scratches are called grooves, or deep scratches are called grooves. So these are the grooves, two type of scratches which are created by the glacial erosion. Now two types of landforms are also formed. One is U-shaped valley and another is hanging valley. U-shaped valley is created when a glacier moves down to the slope of a mountain from a valley which is U-shaped, and it forms a valley which is U-shaped. You can see this U-shaped valley. And hanging valley is a valley that hangs over the main valley, and hanging valley is a small valley which forms a tributary over the main valley, and it is also a erosive function of glacier. So, and this hanging valley is also called a waterfall, and this waterfall is also a result of glacial erosion. So more landforms are also created. The main landform that is created is sheriff, horns and eritis. These are the landforms which are created by the erosion of glacial erosion. So first landform is a horn. You can see this is a peak that is having a horn shaped. It is a peak which is having sharp edges and the shape is almost like a horn. This is called a horn, not a sheriff. This is a horn that is a shape like a horn of an animal. So this is a very sharp sides peak. It is created by the glacial erosion. The another landform which is created by the glacial erosion is eritis. Eritis, this is sheriff. Sheriff is this is sheriff, and sheriff is a ball-like depression. It has steep walls formed by avalanches. When there are avalanches, the steep walls are formed and they make a ball-like structure. It is deep from inside and it is surrounded by the sharp-edged peaks in a circle shape. So these peaks form a ball-like structure that is called a sheriff. Now, eritis are sharp-edged ridges, and you can see that these are the series of ridges which are having very sharp edges, and these all series of sharp-edged peaks make eritis. So these three structures are formed by glacial erosion: the horn and sheriff and eritis. Here comes the depositional function of a glacial landform. Now, these are glacial depositions. So you can see, first of all, a moraine. How moraines are formed. A glacier moves and leaves behind glacial deposits or tills, which form mounds or ridges of different shapes. So when a glacier moves, it deposits a till or a mound, and these tills and mounds are called moraines. This is the landform that is created by the glacial deposition. Here comes another landform, which is created by a glacial deposition, and that is called an esker. Esker are also a long type of deposit of deposit of tills and muds that or rocks, and it is a long type of mound that is created by the glacial deposition, and it is a long ridge that is called an esker. So today we read about the glacial erosion and glacial deposition. In next lesson we will read about more about the glaciers and its types. So for more informative videos, please like and subscribe the Knowledge at the Doors. Thank you.